Everyone wants to be free. That is in human nature. A relationship often means bondage. We compromise our freedom to satisfy others. When we try to please others, we usually stop listening to ourselves. At that moment, we lose our freedom to be who we are. We give up our freedom to please others. To be free means to be who we truly are. It means to listen freely to our inspiration. That gives us the feeling of freedom. So, if you want to do something for others and feel free in doing so, always stay true to yourself and do what is in alignment with you.